This is really important if you want to learn essential web development. And at first you have to follow that instruction. At first you have to follow my instruction, which steps is really essential and is really efficient. And also this is really called pain-free learning. Number one, you know that, and you practice for one day and you learn for one day web development course, but you skip for 2 days or 3 days. That is not a good practice. That means you are not able to learn web development. So first of all, whatever you are learning, then you have to understand the material, and whatever you are learning, then you have to practice and practice. You know that practice makes a man perfect. And when you during the learning web development, then it is really easy to do, and this really easy to happen that you make more wrong, then that means you can learn more. So you have to make more wrong, then you can learn more. Another one in the Googling and YouTubing. So don't you will get lots of things and lots of tutorials, and which is not effective for you, which is not, something is very negative for you, something is positive for you. So you have to find out which is really positive and which is negative for you, and you have to practice with that positive review and get better at Google. And if you are confused anything else, then you want to learn more things and about in depth, if you want to know in depth, then you have to search on Google or YouTube. And when you're learning any development, then don't feel bothering, don't feel bored. So you have to take it as a fun. So that's really important tips for efficient and pain-free learning in web development course. And next one is very essential, because when you set up your environment in your Windows, and which is really essential for you, there number one, I'm going to show you that and how to download and how to install this software. And lots of software have, and 3 software I have already added, and this is the default software, and everyone you can find on this. So you have to install these brackets if you want to practice with this one. So I recommend you to use this software. And if you don't have any software in your computer, then you can practice first time and Notepad. This is the default software. When you search on the website, and then you can search here and you can write your HTML code like this, then you can write whatever you want. And this is the default software. And next one, the Notepad++. This is another software like a brackets, but I recommend you to use these brackets, and you can use also Notepad. That's all both are. And Chrome browser, if you don't have any Chrome browser or Mozilla browser, to just find out from Google, then you will find it, and you have to download and install. And to download any software, and you can follow this website, that's really essential for you. This is really good website, and where you will find premium software. You don't need to pay anything else. So that's really essential for you. So you have to practice with this one. And number one, we are going to set up. When you I'm going to set up this setup in my computer. First download this software, and already I have downloaded this one, so that's why I don't need to download this again. And okay, I have downloaded here code editor. This software already I have downloaded, and how to install, and I'm going to show you that how to install this one. Okay, going to back, and next one, after install this software, then you will find this one. Just find brackets, then you will find it one, because already I have installed these brackets on my computer. So when you brackets successfully, then you will do it, and just open new one. Now I'm going to write code HTML. It's really slow. And text, and write index.html. This is the HTML phase. I want to open this with brackets, then write HTML. Now write good. Now write title, hello everyone. Then write body tag. Body tag should be after head. Then paragraph. Then heading. You have to be reminded that first when you open any code directly from your brackets, then at first you have to save. You have to save this one with that file, otherwise you will not able to open this one. This code is very good for you because when you practice with this one, then just to open that one and just write hello, just write here. Then when you save, then it will be automatically updated. So this coding software has a lots of features and which is really good for you. And okay, thank you so much and see you on next time, and see you next video.